Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yoast Video SEO for YouTube embeds, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Yoast Video SEO for YouTube embeds, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Yoast Video SEO. Locate the plugin in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the Yoast Video SEO plugin. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. After activation, go to the Yoast SEO settings in the left sidebar. Click on the Video SEO tab under the Yoast SEO menu. Review the general settings provided for the plugin. Enable the options that suit your needs for video SEO. Find the section for YouTube embeds. Ensure that the Add Yoast Video SEO Schema Markup option is checked. This feature allows your embedded YouTube videos to be indexed properly. Now, navigate to the page or post where you want to embed your YouTube video. Insert your video using the YouTube embed code or URL. After embedding the video, scroll down to the Yoast Video SEO section in the post editor. Here, fill in the relevant fields such as video title and description. These details contribute to better search visibility for your video. Once you've completed the setup, click the Update or Publish button to save your changes. Check the front end of your website to ensure the video appears correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully installed and configured Yoast Video SEO for your YouTube embeds. Monitor your video's performance in search engine results over time. Consider revisiting the settings periodically for any updates or optimizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.